Instead of worrying about anything, offer up prayers for everything. For 6 in Philippians, watch this video through to the finish because God is about to bless you just in time. There is something you need God to do that is really important. The devil wants you to worry, but God is saying don't worry, I'll take care of it. Just trust me and worship me beforehand. If you feel that God is telling you that it's time for you to smile once more, never forget that you are not alone in this. Let me help you, my angels are already by your side. Just relax and have faith in me, I have amazing plans for you. In fact, you should be excited again because they are better than anything you could have imagined or asked for. God is telling you today, don't give up. I know you're under attack in your finances, your health, and your relationships. That's just a sign that you are close to your breakthrough, according to the best is yet to come type 11. The enemy has declared war against you and your family, but my word is final and I have declared peace, victory, healing, and blessings over your life. Rise from your bed and greet the day with optimism, for the boon you have been longing for is right outside your door, just open it. God is telling you that even if anxiety consumes your heart, you will overcome this because I am replenishing your strength today and giving you everlasting peace. The finest is still to come. God is saying to you today, never forget that I am always with you through good days and bad days, on mountaintops and in valleys, in joy and in tears, in blessings and in trials. Whatever you are going through, I am right there beside you every day, every night, every step of the way. I love you and I won't leave you. God is saying to you today, there is a shift coming that is going to push you into your destiny. Blessings are coming your way. I am going to unleash a double portion of blessings and favor in your life for all of the trials, tribulations, heartaches and setbacks you may have endured. I have a blessing for you. God is saying to you today, don't even think about giving up. You are going to make it no matter what it looks like right now. I know you're worried about your finances, your health and your family. Remember, I always work in your favor. I will bless you today with peace, healing and victory. If you don't quit, I am going to bring something beautiful out of this ugly situation. Prepare yourself for blessings. Kind 222 confirms, I have not forgotten you. I know where you are, and I know how to get you to where you need to be, even when things don't go as planned. My hand is on you, so don't be afraid. I am working behind the scenes on your behalf and I will lead you into a life of blessings, purpose, and favor. This is what God is saying to you today, my child. You are worrying too much. Remember who I am. There is nothing too hard for me. You may not see it, but I have everything planned out for you. God is saying to you today, trust me. I've been with you through every storm in your life. I've given you everything you need. I will always protect you. Your family and loved ones may be going through a difficult time right now, but just have faith in God's timing, things will get better. I love you and encourage you. However, those who wait for the Lord will be strengthened. They will rise with wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. Isaiah 40 verse 31, I am doing something new in your life, God is saying to you today. I know you are physically and emotionally exhausted, but you have to keep going. I'll see you through. You and your family will be just fine. You are going to be promoted to the next level of your life, the next level in your career, the next level in your finances, and the next level in your relationships. God is telling you today that it's time to forget the past, forget the mistakes, and focus on what I am doing in your life today. I am putting the right people in your life and removing the wrong ones. When you feel like giving up and you can't seem to pick yourself up, remember that your strength comes from me. Don't you dare give up. I have amazing things in store for you. Just stand and let me fight this battle. Type 555 to affirm this. I'm shutting old doors and getting ready to give you new chances. Even though the pruning process may be uncomfortable and painful, remember that God is using it for your benefit and that the blessing you will receive today will be greater than you could have imagined. Observe, God is saying to you today, how do I bring you through this storm and restore everything you have lost? You have been going through a lot lately, financially, spiritually, emotionally, and betrayed by many people. The devil has tried to drive you insane, but you have a good heart, and despite all of this, you are still here because I am with you. I will not allow any weapon formed against you to prosper, so don't be afraid. I will turn things around and bless you. The Lord will work out His plan for your life, according to Psalm 138 verse 8. If you trust Him, He will open the right doors, bring the right people, and turn around problems. He has given you the strength to face every challenge, and He has declared that no weapon formed against you will ever succeed. You haven't seen, heard, or imagined the amazing things God has in store, so believe today that things are turning out for the better. God is your defender. He will set a table in front of you so that even your enemies, who are attempting to hold you down, will see you in a position of honor. God has already done this in the past, and He will do it again in the future. This is what Type 777 is all about. When people talk negatively about you, don't worry, God hears it. He will work. What God is saying to you now: the best is not quite here. I have seen the tears you have shed, sensed the anxiety, anger, bewilderment, and pain you are experiencing. I have a blessing for you because the suffering you are going through is about to cease. God is saying to you, I have heard your prayers, I can feel your pain, I know you may not understand all that I allow, but I am always in complete control. Out of your hurt and disappointments, I will bring great joy and blessings. I need you to hang on during these difficult days. Everything will be all right. Solutions and divine favor are coming your way. Your faith in me like never before. Remain motionless, and know that I am God. God is using His mighty hand to bring you out of this situation, and you will emerge from it unscathed. Instead of appearing like what you've gone through, you will be a shining example of God's glory and favor. In order to confirm this, type 999. God is telling you today to cling to your faith. Even in the absence of signs, you must believe that something is happening on the inside. Walk by faith, not by sight. I will give you a new heart and place a new spirit within you. I will take away your heart of stone and replace it with a fleshly heart. Trust me. I love you. It's wonderful to know what each person wants from you, but it's important to live that way. It's not enough to simply know that staying away from sin is right and what I want, but I want you to actually live that way. It's easier said than done, but if you give your life to me every day, it's possible. God is telling you today that you must accept that some people won't be for you and that they aren't necessary for you to fulfill your purpose. The most important thing you can do is guard your heart. Don't allow offense or bitterness affect you. You can do your part, and God will do His. I'll give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you. I'll remove your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. Trust me. Type 1010 to affirm that this is what God is saying to you today. Keep praying to God. Pray with faith and clarity of mind. The Lord hears what is not spoken and comprehends that which is not explained. His love does not operate on the lips or in the mind, but it works on the heart. Things will improve. Trust that the closed door was not a rejection, but a guide to something greater and better. God is saying to you today, I am the God of hope. Even in the midst of challenges and uncertainties, hold on to the hope I offer. Trust in my promises because I am faithful. I will bring beauty out of ashes and turn your trials into testimonials in a world filled with noise. Don't look back, God has something amazing in store for you. Trust Him through each chapter. Take time to connect with God in your silence and find strength in God by your stillness. You can also discover inner strength by embracing periods of quiet. Letting God's consoling presence guide you with strength and assurance, finding comfort in the stillness and letting your inner calm become a source of strength during your moments of silence, allowing His presence to offer serenity to your heart and mind among the chaos. God is telling you that even though a lot in life changes these days, there is still one thing that never changes, the light I've put within you, this beacon of hope, which shines brightly even in the darkest moments. I am the source of serenity and the provider of courage to face any trial with you in the continuous and day-to-day conflict. No, you are not. I call you not to linger in your previous sins and failures because I know every hurt that they have caused. Feeling sorry for yourself, know that I will always forgive you. This is all you need. Nothing is too complicated or difficult for me. If you sit in heart wisdom, you can have faith that your scars will heal, your soul will be rejuvenated, and you can be guided down the correct path. Don't give up, don't be disheartened. Faith in the dream, since the adversary can attempt to take it from you, but there will be a day when the sun and light shine on us. Come, grab my hand, and let's forward with, I'm prepared to rewrite your life's narrative to one of love, optimism, and faith. And lasting meaning that my mercy, my love for you, is unwavering, limitless. Even if you repeatedly stray from me, my arms will always be open to welcome you when you come back. You don't have to go alone. I'm here to help you reduce your workload. Envelope yourself in my tender embrace. I'm always here to hear every whisper in your heart. I'll be your haven from the storm and your support when you need it. So, look ahead today. Don't allow yesterday's regrets rob you of your bring you joy now or dash your aspirations for the future. Transform your past experiences into gold and turn them into your own strength each time you experience a new dawn. Refreshed in my kindness and affection, so have bravery as the road grows uncertain. My light is there to illuminate your life and guide you into a wonderful and joyful existence. Oh, my child, never forget that I am here to support and adore you for eternity. Always at your side, directing your steps, calming your emotions, and illuminating your walk in faith, and you will find a way to trust in my love because it is everlasting and unchangeable.